I want you, but you never reply.
I can't get through on your line while your intuition keeps holding you down. You're hanging me up every time.
I want you to want me and whisper
my name.
in every breath that you take.
I wanna touch you and fill up your dreams and vow your heart will never break.
I want your passion, though it's not your passion. La 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 la. Nah, nah. Walk away, everything's a-okay. On my way to where the air is clear. Can you tell me how to get over there from here? How to get away from Awedi over there. Awedi. Oma here. Oma. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. Nah, just kidding. What if I just did the Ojibwe word? I'm like, all right. And don't welcome BOOZHOO. No, okay.
Oh, jeez.
Now please welcome the star of the show.
Oh, brother.
My reason for living.
Cut it out, will you?
Please welcome BOOZHOO.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, everyone. Dog and Mainga.
By Michael Lyons. Hello.
BOOZHOO.
1.
Beijig.
1 dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
1 wolf.
Beijig Mainga.
2.
Nij.
2 eagles.
Nij Megazi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Asi Vanang. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jidamug.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Yug.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Miigwech.
Thank you. Dog and Maingan.
By Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com.
All right, and did you want to... Hey, honey, do you want to remind them about Patreon?
Oh, sure. Hey, everyone. If you'd like to support the show, you can sign up on Patreon. Patreon supporters support monthly, and they get a book from Michael Lyons called Snow on Skin. And, of course, you can also send us a PayPal if you just want to send a one-time, tip for the show. And, yeah, we're going to raise some money. Is that right, honey?
That's right.
Yeah, we're going to raise some money and buy a new camera and maybe a computer. All right. Well, enough of that. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO.
Button your lip and don't let the shield slip. Take a fresh grip on your bulletproof mask. And if they try to break down your disguise with their questions, you can hide, hide, hide. Behind paranoid eyes. Put on your brave face and slip over the road for a jar. Fixing your grin as you casually lean on the bar. Laughing too loud at the rest of the world with the boys in the crowd. You can hide, hide, hide. Behind paranoid eyes. Believed in their stories of fame, fortune, and glory. Now you're lost in a haze of alcohol and soft middle age. The pie in the sky turned out to be miles too high. And you hide, hide, hide. Behind brown and mild eyes.
Okay. Well, hey, just want to say, miigwech bizendawiyeg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching.
BOOZHOO,
not a BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
The podcast
About Ojibwe language and culture.
I am Natasha, and this is not a BOOZHOO.
We'll cut it out.
And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minawa.
Minowa.
Awa.
Hoa.
All right. Some more B-roll.
Sure.
Let's try this. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. A wimma weppa, 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 wimma weppa. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Ooh.